The shift towards a sustainable future has begun. At BH Airport, social, environmental, and governance actions are our commitment with the present and tomorrow. We take responsibility for sustainable development and put effective actions in favor of the environment into practice. From 2017 to now, we have reduced 48% of our carbon emissions in the atmosphere. In other words, minus 5,000 tons of CO2 in the atmosphere. We are putting into practice new actions that further boost these figures, such as the substitutions of the use of fossil fuels with electric power during support activities for aircraft on the ground. In this sense, we are also replacing the parking lot inspector motorcycles and ground operation vehicles, originally gasoline and diesel-powered, with electrical vehicles. On the subject of cargo, we once again directed our attention to replacing ordinary forklifts which use liquefied petroleum gas with electric equipment at our cargo terminal. We also adjust the time in which the aircraft yard towers were lit on or off, and replaced 100% of the light fixtures at Passenger Terminal 1 with LED lamps. In 2023, we once again received a certificate for using 100% clean energy. We ensure the safety of operations and the protection of fauna. In the year of 2023 alone, 265 wild animals were managed in the airport site. All of them were relocated and released in preservation areas. Our fauna passage allows for the movement of animals that live in the forest areas around us, which avoid having animals be run over on the highway. Around 12 species of wild animals typical of the Atlantic forest and Cerrado biomes have been identified using this passage. We collect and treat rainwater and greywater, which is water from sinks and showers, to be reused in toilets, irrigation, and HVAC systems. In 2023, up to 15 million liters of greywater were obtained and reused, a significant 550% leap compared to the year of 2022. We also preserved 310 hectares of native vegetation, ensuring the protection of local and regional biodiversity. We are committed to preserving the environment, in addition to generating employment and income for families that work recycling materials. Our program, active since 2014, has achieved a milestone of 2,500 tons of waste collected and donated. We are proud to be the first carbon-neutral airport in Brazil and have recently been recognized for the second time in a row as the most sustainable airport in Brazil by the program of the Brazilian Civil Aviation Agency, ANAC. We are also a green airport, recognized by the ACI Green Airport program for 3 years in a row. We are accredited with the 3+ level, which involves emission reduction, third-party engagement and neutrality by the Airport Carbon Accreditation, ACA. This is how BH Airport puts Minas Gerais and Brazil at the forefront of airport sustainability actions.